Forest in Altamont Springs. This is house number 1, Wretched Waters. The theme of the event is Nature's Fury, so let's see what she has in store for us. I hope we make it out alive. It was very dark. We almost got lost, but we found out a way to go.
You guys almost got lost?
Yeah. So we're going in house number 2. This is Invasions from Beyond. This one was fun. There's aliens everywhere, but we don't want to give too much away. There was a cornfield situation with a chainsaw. It was horrifying. We're on the 3rd and last house. This is Extinction's Revenge. I think we're going to get in this box and see where it goes. That one was the scariest one.
Where did you guys go in the box?
I don't know. We were transported. We should get that checked out.